And this is the entrance of the Campestuhan Highland Resort here in Bacolod City. Tutur ko kayo. And here you will see every parts of this place. They are the biggest rooster in the whole world. It is in the Guinness Book of Record. Ayun, yan. And this is the biggest elephant. Pero hotel din ito. Yan, the same time hotel, daming room. Yan. Meron ding swimming pool doon sa taas. Pero dito sa second day sa part sa baba. Wow, ayan. This is the slide. This is the slide. Wow. Ganda. Uy, solar palang gamit. Ayun, no. Solar kaya pala. Wow. Ganda, no. Parang ginagawa ng swimming pala yan, no.